Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I got a question by a user saying that if he goes and buy a new PC, he's afraid that he might not be able to get a Windows 10 PC and that all you'll find now are Windows 11 computers. It's still time to get Windows 10 PCs. It's still time, and that if I went actually for that question, I took a walk to a local Best Buy here, and I examined what they had on sale, and a lot of Windows 10 computers are still there. What you need to be careful, and this is where it's tricky, is to understand the minimum requirements and the minimum of the computer. Because, yes, you can have Windows 10 PCs, still buy them today, but buy something that is still not supported for Windows 11, and you don't want that. You don't want that because you don't want to buy a new PC in 2022 that you'll have to turn into something else, either Linux or whatever, in 2025 because it's already going to be over. If you want to maintain a Windows machine, you'll have to buy a Windows 10 PC to make sure that it is okay for Windows 11. And one of the best ways to do that is on the PC themselves. Most manufacturers that will sell Windows 10 PCs and that know it has the minimum requirement have a sticker and it says Windows 11 ready. So that's what you got to check. Windows 11 ready on the PC or on the box. That means you got Windows 10, but if you want to move to Windows 11, it's compatible. If it doesn't say, is there a way to know? Yes, there is. And the best way to know this is to look at the CPU generation. You want to have an 8th generation or later CPU. Most of the time, when I was looking at the little stickers and the computers that were sold, and most of them had the generation written on them. So you would see 8th generation, 10th generation, 11th generation. That is what you want to know. The CPU, what generation is it? It has to be 8th generation or later. If it's not written, one trick with Intel CPUs particularly is the CPU will have a number. Like for example, here on this machine, you see i5 5257U. The first number following the i5 or i3 or i7 is the generation. This is a 5th generation machine. This will not be and does not meet the minimum requirement for the Windows 11 upgrade. What you want to see here is at least an 8. So if this would be i5-8257, that means I would have an 8th generation CPU, means it would be compatible. Anything else to check? Honestly, if you have 8th generation or later, the rest of the hardware follows and will be compatible with Windows 11. TPM 2.0 is in there on all of these CPUs. So this is something to just check out. But yes, you can still buy, but be careful not to buy something that is obsolete and does not meet the minimum requirement. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.